Thank you, Lord. Raining again. After a few weeks from the first time na naulan siya. Ayan, ulit ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat, Jesus, for this wonderful afternoon. This is really a blessing to all of us. Mainit siya ngayon yung singaw, but then, a little later, ay giginhawa yan. At saka, I'm supposed to magdilig ako sa mga halaman ko. And guess what? Umulan, kaya it's really a blessing. Kaya thank you. Sana umulan din sa mga ibang places. Para at least, diba? Ayan. Keep safe everyone and keep hydrated kasi lalong mainit siya. Kaya yun, tingnan mo. Mayroon pa yung ng kabatiti ko dyan. Ayan.